Modern manufacturing moves thousands of physical components a minute, yet relies on fragmented spreadsheets and paper ledgers to hold the entire operation together. It's why 70% of industrial system implementations collapse. Stalled production lines, missed critical deadlines, silent revenue leaks. You cannot solve a physical disconnect by dropping a generic, rigid software package onto a factory floor. Legacy systems demand that you force a dynamic production line to fit inside static accounting frameworks. They treat your shop floor as a bolted-on module, forcing an 18 to 24-month wait for a deployment that ultimately leaves executives blind to the 5 critical dimensions of their own facility's readiness. But Absolute ERP reverses this broken logic. It serves the process first, unifying every operation into a single digital twin that moves in rhythm with your machinery. Multi-level bills of material are the system's DNA. Real-time floor control means zero manual friction. When material moves on the floor, it's instantly captured in the financial ledger, sealing the leaks that plague fragmented systems. But even the most advanced digital twin fails if it's locked behind distant time zones and generic global templates. Your facility needs a system grounded in regional reality, from native Arabic interfaces to built-in compliance for local VAT regulations. Backed by an implementation team on the ground in Dubai, operating where you operate. This creates a state of control where inventory is finally accurate and production variance is measured and minimized in real time. But that level of control requires answering one question: what is actually happening in your factory right now? Until you audit your blind spots across the 5 dimensions of process, data, and infrastructure, your hidden costs remain unmapped. Map your path to operational excellence with the free 5-dimension manufacturing ERP assessment.